Hala, di dyan siya muhunong. Pwede ba muhunong?
Ano, giingon te. Nga, gidala sa ilaha. Ilahang driving.
Sige.
Pwede na sila magsaba niya.
Pwede mo. Dito na siguro, oh. Oy, Nobel, slow down. Kinsa man ang bike? Tanawa na akong anak, kagamay sa bike. Pila pa to siyang idara na hantod karon di na mo mapalit-palitan ang bike. Taas na siya sa bike. Di jud siya.
Ano man pe?
Lexi.
Jinin. Jinin.
Unsa ni lamok?
I'm hot. It's a dog.
This is Jason. Jason, why are you taas? You're so taas.
Because I eat food. And because I play lots of video games.
Video games na basketball? You have to play basketball.
I don't play basketball. But I do play badminton, tennis, and soccer.
Oh.
Come here. Let's go. Adi mag-picture sa sila na magtalikod. Mura na buros.
Di mo na buros. Lucky.
Di na buros.
Dili, oy.
Kani silang
You guys don't get.
Quad.
Can I try, please? Let me see the picture. Zach, can I try? Let me see.
Not the picture, it's a video.
Dito, post on your Bapios.
Yeah.
What's up, Bobby Austin?
YouTube. YouTube. This is Jason.
Hi,
See?
YouTube.
Jason. Only I see you in... Asa naman akong anak? Asa naman to?
Oh, this is enough. This is about enough.
YouTube, I'm so cool.
Ay,
This is about enough.
so finally,
21.
finally I'm back with my old friends reunion. Uy, sorry yung kay Jowa. May kaato ka tong pagkuhan ba? Nightlights. Mas gwapo nang nasa tunga, murag bahayag. Ang kilid, murag magmit-mit ang color.
You're finally nice, Jason.
You're not really nice. Have you seen the words that you said to me? It's kind of bad.
Dagko, oy, kinagay siya. Ang iyang basement, walk out pa, Jud.
So wala siya basement, ano na
Muna ni-
siya, ground.
Muna yung basement.
Lagi
Muna
ground
yung...
floor na.
Oh, muna yung basement.
Yeah.
Oh, nya sunset, sunrise o sunrise.
Oh, okay.
Lake. Kay walk out basement man eh.
Janine!
Awesome. Welcome back, guys. So, my little Bisayang Hila, we're here at Sherwood. Akong kinakusgan nga kuya, plaster na sa sayahang tent. So, mo ni ang Sherwood Park here in Edmonton, guys. Nindot day kayo siya, guys. So, nadaghag mga water. Untagay na diya, spray, water spray park.
Yeah, water spray park, swimming pool.
Na swimming pool, na ay lake. Dami kay ambak og lake.
Okay naman.
Naraan mo ang birthday celebrant, guys. So, Moni. Hi, birthday celebrant. Hoy, Dad, 16 years of friendship na mi. Yay! With the birthday celebrant. Yay!
Yes. Cheers to forever.
Cheers to forever. Yeah. So ako sang atuon to akong gamay mag so another tent to set up. Ayan. So lami kay amo ang park diri guys, lami kay Sherwood Park. Akong gamay to ara didto agiya ang papa. Pangitaon sa nako to kadiyot guys.
No, they're hiding. No.
Di na mabangbang akong anak. Para ang tatay. So, lamig jud kay siya diri guys. After all the necessary stress I had yesterday, so now we are having a good sunny day at Sherwood Park. See? Lamig kay siya guys. May big huge slide where the kids can have a slide and climb. So, ang inside sa building na ay swimming pool.
Hey, what do you
Nabasa na akong bana. Tanawa akong baliw ng kamera ha. Nara sinubila. Nara siya. Nadula. So I will gonna show you guys all the lakes. Na yung mga lakes din here guys. So mo ni ang lakes. Nindot siya nga na park. So when you guys come to Edmonton area, please try to visit here at Sherwood Park. Napakaganda guys. It's lots of amenities. Tingnan nyo yung amenities nila dito. Ito yung mga ano. So maganda siya for the kids and family bonding. You can do a barbecue. Ito yung lake nila. May school pala dito guys. So ayan. And then yung parang bridge. Maganda yung bridge doon. Magsarap mag picture guys. So I don't know what is this here. It's a deck. Parang siguro mag-boating or something. May mga binyo gagawin dito. So, ewan ko. But maybe during night time maganda siya dito. Or evening time. Mag-strolling around this lake. Ayaw kong lalapit dyan. Baka mahulog yung cellphone ko. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda. So, ikutin ko siya guys para makita nyo. So, once again guys, thank you so much for all the subscribers and followers of My Little Bisayang Hilaw. So, we're going to launch soon our merchant. So, for those who wants to order the t-shirts, tumblers, and mag, keychains, we're going to be available soon. So, we're trying only to do a layout. And for those who loves to support our vlog, kindly support our merchant for the t-shirts, My Little Bisayang Hilaw guys. And don't forget to support our TikTok, the Oyster Farm. So we will all link all that profile or the link all the sites that we have, so that you guys can support. So thank you so much. We already all almost 5,000 k. It's been a while kasi ho guys, nag-relax ako for few months kasi ho guys, I'm dealing some health issues. So I'm back now, kind of busy lang konti. So yun, so abangan nyo guys. We're having just a layout. Check my other Facebook account, which is Miss Oyster PG. So andun yung mga layout at so saka naka-publish na ho din sa My Little Bisayang Hilaw yung mga layout ng aming mga pre-order. So sana ho guys, suportahan nyo kami for our mga merchant. So nagli-layout pa ho kami guys. There are so many things to come up of ideas. Hindi pa lang ma-implement lahat kasi ho guys, super busy at kids. So may mga personal lang akong ini-improve, especially sa health ko. So yun, so ngayon we're getting back slowly. So once again, thank you so much for supporting My Little Bisayang Hilaw. Without you guys, My Little Bisayang Hilaw will not gonna be I think have more supporters without your guys help, especially sa ano yon sa grupo ni Madam Koreana, Team Hilas, maraming salamat ho. Let's go F2F, salamat, maraming salamat you guys. So kung hindi sa inyo lahat, sa lahat ng mga grupo na join, ni-mention nyo sa akin in plug, nakikita ho ko you guys, kaya lang medyo nag-relax man ako for the meantime for couple of months dahil nga I'm dealing some a little bit of health issues. So I'm slowly back, I'm getting better, I try my best, at saka I do some personal gain for myself, kaya ho nagiging busy ako guys. So I try my best to anong tawag doon, I try my best to minimize my time, schedule my time, kaya lang ho pina-priority ko ho yung to improve myself. Kaya abangan nyo ho guys, I already published some layout. If you guys wanna have order, I will do a number and code so that you guys can remember, and then isi-send namin sa inyo guys kung magustuhan nyo yung layout. So maraming salamat po. Abangan nyo guys, magla-launch kami soon. Magpe-print out kami, ipapakita namin sa inyo. So different sizes, meron ding mga kids, mga pangbata. Saka you can guys request different colors, so kung ano yung gusto nyo para ma-print namin at ipapadala namin sa inyo. Okay, bye! Hi! Welcome back to Sherwood here at Edmonton. I'm finally back to my extended family. It's her birthday, so Guadalina Katubig, happy birthday my dear, love you so much. And second guys, she celebrates her birthday, so that's why we are here. So every year we are always come and see her twice, and we're here also Joanne. So Joanne is living in Prince George, so we make it sure na every year nagkikita ho kami. Hindi kami nakapunta last time sa kanila on her child, I think christening or I know, hindi yung christening, yung parang anong tawag yun, yung last test after the communion, kasi ano na siya. So ninang kasi si Guada, kaya nandun siya. So hindi kami nakasali kasi busy kids at naintindihan naman nila ako. So I'm so glad and thankful that I have so much wonderful friends. So although hindi kami nag-usap every day, but we know that we can count each other. So naintindihan naman nila ako kasi busy si Inday, si Mother Earth nyo guys, busy. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako na I have so much wonderful friends na kahit na malayo kami isa't isa, we are still counting on. We are already in the 16th year of friendship. Yes, my forever family here in Canada guys. So once again, thank you so much, and if you guys want to visit here in the Edmonton area, please visit at Sherwood. It's a very family friendly park, so you guys can have everybody join and fun on this summer. So ito pala yung ano guys, may nakalagay na festival days, iwan ko ano yan. So yan guys, so once again, thank you so much for all the supporters of my little Bisayang Hilaw. So have fun! You guys ready for Balbacoa? Say hi everyone.
Hello.
Permission to post our vlog, okay? Kung makita mo ay daw kunig kasuhi. Joke.
Hi everyone, I'm Bob from Prince George.
Yeah.
Unsa na init?
Just like to say to God, if you're near your table, you go and vlog, go well.
What you like? Say salamat Tita Guada, yummy eh? Yummy!
Of course. If it's tita.
Paborito na niya kayong Tagalawa God.
I know you like this.
Ina, ang taga-ikot Tita B, palihog.
Oh, sure.
Salamat Tita. Mas kadyong liwata sa kuha. Kuya buyag.
May mo, palitan black bag yung ahon ka makakuan. Ay, si Zach, sabihin na lang.
Kana lang imong kutsara ate, okay ra na ate.
Ani lang. Hindi mo pakuan good.
You guys, kauntag Balbacoa guys. Andam sa mga tuhod ha.
Andam ang kambal.
Tina, salamat.
My driver.
Pwede kayo makuha ng tingog. Uwi sa pag makailan na siya nimo. Na.
Tama
Kaya pa man sa kailan nimo. Unya nagmakaila siya nimo, di ba? Ikaw na lang maugtas.
Ano mga kids guys? Okay na to sila.
Our birthday girl. Ayan. Wala ako man yung pagkaon. Angela! Angela! Ate!
Ayaw eh.
Wala na. Kaya Anje, 3 of you na lang mag-blue. Na kayong tatlo. 1. Okay, kunyari na lang. Kunyari. 1, 2, 3, blue! Tatlo! So, ayan guys. We're having a party here. Birthday celebrations for the triple birthday celebrations here at Sherwood. Baliktin ko muna yung camera.
But no, it's allergic reaction to it.
Ayan, yung the best cook in Cebu. Ayan, si Chef. Chef, permission to post on my vlog. Ayan, masarap to magluto ng balbakwa guys. Ang sarap. Just cook. First time nakakain ng may pineapple. Masarap pala. Ayan. Ayan. Yan, daming mga pagkain.
Chicken skin.
Pinakurat guys. Chicken skin. Ano to? Ayan, same chicken skin. Ayan. Cake. Balbakwang may pineapple. Ayan. Ayan o, daming mga pagkain. Ito yung pinakamasarap, made by Cecil, Maria Cecil. Maturo ako niyan. Order na lang. Ayan, si birthday girl.
Luto tayo pag pupunta ko ng Kaldan. Luto tayo.
Luto tayo. Bili mo na ako ng karne.
Hindi, kahit ako na magdala.
Ha? Ako na. Ayan, si birthday girl, another one. Ayan yung isa, triple. Ayan yung tatlo. Ayan si Uncle George, Kuya George. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung mga bata, nag-i-enjoy. Permission to post on my vlog. Okay. Ayan, mga kaibigan namin. Ayan. Say hi. Dili pa ni siya live ya. Edit daw niya. Ayan. From Edit, Toronto. Wala lagi ka ganina ate. Nag-picture picking niya dito.
Mao ba? Sayang.
Tintalo yun na.
Puntahan natin si My Little Bisayang Hilaw. Nandun naglaro. Tanawa akong anak. Hoy, Nobel! Ginuukoy mo na ng gidive-dive mong kuan. Labanan na na lang. Itaktak na kay imong mata. Hi, Sia.
My name is Zaya.
Anzaya, sorry. Wrong number. Ayan, Sia. Ayan si Nobel. Nobel, magligo jud ka unya, Nobel, ha? Yeah. Magligo ka unya, Nobel, ha?
Look over there where I'm pointing.
Okay. Have fun, okay?
Come. Find garbage. I'm also going.
Among kinakusgang isa. Kinakusgan.
Sa?
Gwapo siya ko, ano? Kung mga color. Look at that, guys.
Hey, Reddy is trying to catch a frog.
Yeah. So here we are. We're back. Hope she's not jumping there. You're not jumping there, right? So we're here with my Habibi. She's there as long as you can see her. Oh my God, nagbahay ko. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, my daddy. So, ayan na guys. Punta kami dyan sa may kahugaw sa tubig. The water is like a stagnant.
Malfoy. Full of Malfoy.
Yeah. So, a festival place. Tingnan natin dito kung anong meron. Lecha. Ali na bo, let's go to the bridge. Uy, nakakita lagi kag choke bo. Dali.
I want choc. Can I have?
Yeah, you can go in the tree.
Yay!
We have 2 bridges in here. So, we are walking here guys. Kay busog ka Amy. I'm so full. Hoy, mahulog kay na bo. Di juga mo drive dia. Di juga mo ambak dia bo. Guwapo siya pagkabutang nila diri oh. Guwapo kayo siya oh.
Sama niya.
Ayaw bo. Dirita bo. Nice man siya diri dad.
Healthy?
Mag-nice man siya diri, mag-picnic. Ay, kuan man day ni dad, kanang ang sana dad? Truck.
Running truck.
Dali. So, nandun sila sa kabila. Nandun kami sa kabila. Nag-barbecue. So, malaking ground dito. Paaralan to. So, maganda dito pag umaga mag-exercise. What a good idea. Hoy, maduna ka sa tubig! So guys, we found this kind of statue. They call it Spirit of the Future. Developed by Alberta Winter Games Cultural Subcommittee. Okay, dali na po.
Don't forget to carry.
Huh? A carry? A carry? So I found this guys. I don't know what is this, and let's check what you call this. The future depends on what we do in the present. Yeah, that's Mahatma Gandhi. And then The Power of Imagination Make Us Infinite by John Moore. So naa siya kuan guys, mga bato. Oh wow, ang ganda naman yan guys. Oh, tingnan nyo, maganda yung mga ano niya dito. Tingnan natin kung ano dito. Give the wildlife. Oh, a show of hands. Art of our county. Let's see what is this. The edible fruit garden. Oh, okay. Na ay garden diri ay. Mga tanong na mga bato. So kani siya diri guys that's the Kingsmen's Leisure Center. Sa sulod anak guys is a swimming pool. Yeah, it's a swimming pool. Okay, let's go guys. Umikot lang kami sa buong pan. Pagod na sila. Welcome back, My Little Visayan Hilaw guys. Andito na si My Little Visayan Hilaw. So finally guys, nairaos din namin yung triple birthday celebration for my friend Allen Katubig and Maria Palmaris. Maria Cecilia Palmaris Ignacio at yung anak niya ho si Angela. So dito ho sa Sherwood Park in Edmonton. So thank you so much for having us guys. Wish you all the best in your birthday and more birthdays to come. Hold health and be happy. So ayan si Little Boo, pagod na pagod. She wants to watch the show. So finally guys, tomorrow we will heading back to Calgary. So we have one more stop tomorrow to meet my brother-in-law. Yes guys, he's still in Sherwood. So bye-bye. Thank you so much. Guys, welcome back. May babata kami. Ano dito, umaawit. Nagkakanta.
She's cheering. Microphone na.
Lagi, microphone na.
Lagot ko.
Taglagot ka.
Anak ko, mga nindot na bingog. Hindi ka dimulaw ng
The birthday girl. Happy birthday! Sa'yo yan! Inom ka! Inom ka! Sa puso mo aking